Getting moving on your fitness journey is not about going from 0 to 1,000%. It's about taking a small step in the right direction. Happy weekend. So you are watching this workout on Saturday. This is the workout that we did Friday morning, new circuit, new level of intensity. It was pretty fun. It was rough though. It was rough for sure. I would encourage you to give it a try. If you need to change the repetitions of some of the exercises or change the distance that you run, toward the end, you're going to see one of the new circuits includes a quarter-mile run at the end of it. You can make those adjustments. Getting moving on your fitness journey is not about going from 0 to 1,000%. It's about taking a small step in the right direction. So if you look at this workout and you're like, oh, this is just too intense for me, all you got to do is bring it down a little bit. Reduce the repetitions, reduce the number of sets, reduce the time that you run or the distance that you run in these circuits. I know you can do this. I guarantee you that if you put this together, make this smaller. If you need help doing that, feel free to reach out, send me a message, shoot me a text, DM, whatever you call it. Whatever the young ones call it, right? I'm just kidding. But yeah, let me know what you think. It's a pretty tough one, but again, if you're just getting started and you want to give it a try, all you got to do is adjust the sets, reps, and or distance that you're doing. Give it a try. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and enjoy the workout.